Today's Midday Kentucky cooking segment brought to you by Creative Kitchen and Bath, where you will always cook in style.
Welcome back to Midday Kentucky. Chef Allison Davis here with the awesome Amanda Nighbert, our resident nutritionist and weight loss expert. And I'm telling you, you want to know this recipe for the new year. This is a way to start getting those good things in your body, right?
That's right.
That's our resolution anyways.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, so this is what I call my green breakfast smoothie.
Okay.
You could actually drink it for breakfast,
Well,
lunch or
smoothies
dinner.
are good, any time of the day, especially if you're trying to curb your cravings and want that full feeling, right? To me, smoothies always make me feel really full.
Yes, I agree. And what I love about this recipe is you kind of have like a little bit of a base, and then you can really kind of add the things that you like. There's a lot of little things that you can add into this smoothie to really up the nutritional factor.
Okay.
So again, a common question I get from my clients is, how can I get my kids to incorporate more vegetables, more healthy items? And this is my biggest trick, is this kind of green smoothie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Spinach, kale, all those things you can just like throw in there. And really it just changes the color of the smoothie, but the kids have no idea.
Absolutely, because it's still going to have that really kind of sweet flavor with some of the fruit that we're going to use.
Okay, what are we doing?
So we're going to start with like a liquid base. And I have a couple of non-dairy options. You could use milk if you can incorporate dairy into your diet. But this is a great alternative to milk, and that's hemp milk, which is a kind of a newer.
Yeah, and I haven't used hemp milk that much.
Yeah, I mean, it's loaded in omega-3 fatty acids. It's got a little bit of protein in it, and it's a really great source of calcium and vitamin D.
Yeah, in a cup of the hemp milk, you're getting 4.5 grams of fat, but you're getting 3 grams of protein. So
absolutely,
when you're talking those macros and 0 carbs, this is
It's
ideal.
a great alternative.
Yeah.
And only 60 calories, whereas a cup of milk was going to be a much more.
Yeah.
Another option is almond milk, which we love to use. So we're going to just incorporate a little bit of that. Do you want to put a little bit, we'll use the hemp milk for this in there.
Okay.
And start with your liquid down at the bottom.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's really
a cup worth?
Yeah, about a cup of the milk. And then we're going to add some berries in there.
Okay.
And what I love about berries is they're really high in antioxidants. They have a much lower glycemic index than a lot of other fruits.
Everything I read about them, like if you're trying to fight free radicals or if you can incorporate them. I mean, I know they're a little bit higher in sugar, but
it's a good fruit option.
It's a good sugar option.
The berry family is definitely a good fruit option. And the nice thing about making a smoothie is you can buy all of your fruit already frozen.
Yep.
And organic fruit is so much cheaper than conventional non-frozen organic.
Right.
So that's
and
a
it's
good
important when you're talking about berries to use organic, just simply because they're so porous. And if you ever read about organic versus non-organic and what to buy, berries are always at the top of the list.
The next thing I'm going to add is just a little banana. My kids love bananas. And a really good trick is once your bananas get really brown and you feel like you're going to throw them away, throw them in the freezer.
They're perfect for smoothies.
They're perfect for smoothies.
They get sweeter and sweeter and sweeter. And any smoothie joint you ever try to go to, you'll notice that they're using those really ripe bananas.
So the next thing we want to incorporate is some protein. Protein's going to help fill it up, keep you full. We've got a collagen-based protein, which is basically flavorless. So it's a great way to incorporate some protein without, changing the flavor. You could also add some peanut butter, which is a great source of protein, whichever one you want to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this collagen protein this round. You could even use like a protein powder. So we've got like a vanilla protein powder here.
We hear a lot about these collagen peptides right now. Why do we want to try to incorporate that into our routine?
As we get older, we lose collagen in the body. And so this product really helps to restore that.
Okay.
So great fats, and then we're going to add tons of our green vegetables in there. Spinach is going to really help keep the, you want to blend that up for us? Spinach is a really nice green to add just because it doesn't overpower the flavor. Sometimes when you use some of the other greens like kale, your kids may have a little bit more to say about that. So blend that up. You're ready to go. Quick and easy. You can use it for breakfast. You can use it as a midday snack. Anything that where you need to really load up on the nutrition. The other thing that I love about these shakes is you can incorporate like flaxseed in it. That's going to be a really healthy omega fat that you can add in there.
What about fiber in this?
Tons of fiber. So you're going to get fiber from the fruits. You're going to get fiber from the spinach. all of that stuff. So I would probably even add a little bit more spinach to that once it blended up a little bit. But it's good to go. Yeah.
All right. Well, we're going to enjoy this nice, healthy shake smoothie, and you guys can find this recipe and many more at WTVQ.com/recipes tab. Of course, you can find Amanda Nighbert and her weight loss program at AmandaNighbert.com. Perfect time of the year to get started on your weight loss goals. I'm Chef Allison Davis. You're watching Midday Kentucky. We will be right back after this short break.